turn your key, and maybe the car starts but runs terribly. Or maybe the dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree with a very strange code, P06B8. This is not your typical sensor failure. This is an internal memory error inside your car's main computer, the PCM. Think of it like this. Your car's computer has a section of memory called NVRAM, which stands for Non-Volatile Random Access Memory. This is where it stores vital learning data that needs to be saved even when you turn the engine off. When you see this code, the computer essentially failed its own self-test. It checked its memory and found a corruption or a processor error. Now, before you panic and think you need a new computer immediately, let us look at the basics. Often, these internal errors are actually caused by external power issues. If your battery is weak, your alternator is dying, or you have a loose ground strap, the computer does not get clean power. Low voltage can make the processor glitch and throw this code. So, your first step is simple. Check your battery voltage and check your ground connections. Look for green corrosion on the battery terminals or loose wires on the engine block. If your electrical supply is rock solid, then we have to consider the module itself. Sometimes, moisture gets into the computer case, or extreme heat damages the electronics. Diagnosing this further usually requires a high-level scan tool to see if the controller is communicating properly with the rest of the car. If you clear the code and it comes back immediately, or if the car stays in a fail-safe mode, you are likely looking at a failed PCMD. The tricky part here is that you cannot just buy a used one and plug it in. These usually need to be programmed to your specific vehicle's VIN number. So, rule out the cheap stuff like fuses, relays, and batteries first, because replacing the brain of the car is the last resort.